Hi, I'm Eddie, the Jiu-Jitsu Turtle. The reason I'm talking to you is because we have a really fun sponsorship opportunity for any company that wants to reach a huge audience of martial arts fans. Oh, that's me terrorizing Tokyo. A little embarrassing. Who put that picture there? Well, we have put together a fun animated series called Jiu-Jitsu for Kids. It features me, of course, but mainly Professor Carlos Rolison. He's a national champion in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and truly one of the sport's most talented instructors. This series of cartoons teaches kids basic and more advanced elements of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in silly ways that are fun for children and parents alike. Sometimes we even have celebrity martial artists and MMA fighters show up to give lessons. As a sponsor of our videos, you pay one little fee and get to sponsor our videos for life. That's right, for life. You can place your sponsorship in a short commercial within our videos like this, or you can even have your ad appear along the bottom of our entire video, like this. Pretty cool, huh? The Jiu-Jitsu for Kids video series will be uploaded to over 60 social video and networking sites. What this means to you is that over time your sponsorship will be seen by thousands of viewers, if not hundreds of thousands or millions. The cost to your company is very small, but your sponsorship will last a lifetime. Call us at the number below or email us for more details. Sponsorship positions are extremely limited, so hurry up already and give us a call. This is Eddie, the Jiu-Jitsu Turtle, signing off. Goodbye.
Come